Hello and welcome to the It's Rainy Crafts podcast. My name is Raina. You can find me on Instagram and Ravelry under SO Chick. Today is Wednesday, January 2nd, 2019, and I will be talking to you. I'm your host. This is the relaunch of my podcast. As you see, I'm in a new space. I moved at the end of November, and then the holidays happened. So, to extend my hiatus from the holidays and from moving and unpacking, I just wanted to give like a little brief review of my 2018 since I last podcasted. So the craft show happened. I didn't do very well. I didn't think that most people could see my work. The way that they had everything displayed. And that was a bummer. I'm really disappointed in my in-laws. Not my in-laws. My mother-in-law is fabulous. My sister-in-law and my brother-in-law. The craft show is multi-generational, so they have a lot of stuff coming in, and they don't put a limit on their crafters. You know, any crafter can come in. I told my mother, I said someone could like bring in their junk drawer from the kitchen and sell that, and they'll be able to actually see it. So, yeah, I'm reevaluating doing the craft show this year, or putting a lot of time into the craft show, because this is around the time that I start making hats for the end of the year. So I think that I am going to focus on what people, what's a better word? What people who appreciate my work. I'm going to do that. So, that was the thing, and I have my list here of things that I wanted to talk about. But, the holidays happened. We moved the day after Thanksgiving into our new house. I'm about 40 minutes from where I used to live, and I'm closer to my in-laws. I'm about a 10-minute drive to there. But and then over the holiday, I found out that my cousin and his wife are expecting a little girl. So I cast it on. I told my mother at Thanksgiving, I said if Mish and his wife were having a girl, then I'm going to knit her a little dress. And I kept my word, and I'm knitting the Sweet Pea dress by Mina Phillip. Right now, it's so cute. It's so little. Oh, I'm just totally in love with it. And I'm at a point now where I need to focus on that. So I put it away. Or I need someone to read the pattern to me as I'm knitting it. Because it's the bind off. I never did a picot bind off, and the bind off and watching picot bind off and counting is very difficult. So, and then over the Christmas week, in deciding not to do the craft show, or semi do the craft show, I don't know what I'm going to do about that. But I cast it on, five garments for myself. The dress for Little Miss W. And then I have 9 whips from 2018 that I'm hoping to get finished. So, and then my Ravelry challenge for last year was 40 projects. I only did 28. I still think 28 is a good number. I did 4 sweaters, including in those over the years. So I did a red sweater, I did a pink and white sweater, I did a blue top, and I did a gold sweater. So that's 4. And then, so this year I set my goal for 30 projects instead of 40. Let's see how far I get in that. But other than that, I hope to talk to you soon. I hope that you have a good crafting day.